Good morning. Today is my shopping day and I am so glad you're here to come along with me. I just put some coffee in my travel mug. I am waiting on my orders to come through. I shop between Walmart and Meijer, and Meijer is usually ready like an hour before I put in, and it's not. I am shocked. And then Walmart, of course, they are pretty close to the time I put in. So I'm waiting for those to come through. I already had one substitution from Walmart, which wasn't a big deal, and I'm hoping I don't have any from Meijer. And then as soon as those come in, I can go. But first, let me show you my menu plan, and maybe you can pull some ideas off from it for your weekly meal plan. We're having a bacon cheeseburger casserole. This will be in a video that will be coming up in the near future, so be watching for it. Potato soup, tater tot casserole. That is one of Jason's favorite meals. Polish sausage and macaroni and cheese, which the Polish sausage is turkey sausage. Meatloaf meal, which includes mashed potatoes and corn, all the goodies. And pork loin and veggies. This meal is in a video which is already out. I will have it linked below. It's in a 0-point day video. We are starting out at Walmart first, which is backwards to us. It kind of threw us a little bit, but Walmart came in first, so we are here. We're in number 7. We're waiting for them to bring out our groceries, and then we're gonna hop on over to Meijer. Also, I am making a really super delicious dinner, so make sure you stick around to the end because you are not gonna wanna miss it. And I'll also include Weight Watcher points and healthy points in case we just parked in number 7. 7 must be our number for the day, because didn't I park in number 7 at Walmart too? I'm almost positive I did. We have quite a haul to go through, but I'm gonna start off first with freezer stuff so I can get this stuff put away. I have frozen strawberries, Halo Top ice cream. This was actually substituted. I wanted peanut butter and they gave me chocolate chip cookie dough. I'm sure it'll be really good. Hash brown potatoes. This corn was on sale for only $1 a bag, so I grabbed 2 of them. And then also some Coca-Cola and Dr. Pepper. I'm gonna start off with the refrigerator stuff and just work our way all the way down the island, so I hope I don't miss anything. Okay, so I have, I can't believe it's not butter sticks, some cheese, a sweet potato, 2 regular baking potatoes, some diced ham, a red pepper, and a head of broccoli, which is pretty little, but you know. An English cucumber, 2 big carrots, cherub tomatoes, these are my favorite. This was substituted for, I wanted just arugula, but it ended up being baby spinach and arugula. Sour cream, milk, a thing of biscuits, a couple onions, eggs. I have oven roasted turkey and Black Forest ham, some peppers, which these are really small, celery hearts, bananas, and 2 bags of potatoes for a few different recipes. I was completely out of my no sugar applesauce, so I got cinnamon, blueberry, and strawberry. 2 things of this bacon, some Krusty's chocolate chip muffins, old-fashioned oats, ice cream cones. Well, I thought this was a bigger bag of flour. This is very small, but at least it'll give me some flour, so I'll have to order some more next time. I have some coconut flakes and some pecans and low-carb tortillas. I have 2 brown gravies, a meatloaf, 2 cans of cream of potato soup, a can of cheddar cheese soup, and then the bottom box is ramen, and then we are gonna try the classic roast and then also the dark roast by Great Value and see if these are good, because coffee is expensive. We got some white vinegar. Jason asked for Cocoa Pebbles and Fruity Pebbles, and then we have some Gardettos. Tim really loves these. They're the cheddar Chex Mix. For house items, we needed Pepto-Bismol, couple snack bags, sandwich bags, quart storage. We were completely out of Band-Aids. I like to use this for dry lips. This stuff works really good, and so does this. I will usually put this on first and then I top it with this at night, and it just keeps my lips where they're just not dry and peeling. And then the BB cream, I was looking for the Fair. They only have the light. They apparently discontinued the Fair. I am very upset about that. But I'm gonna try this one and hopefully it's not too dark. In this bottom drawer, I keep all my extra bags and, well, I have plastic bowls in here too. So I'm gonna put the extra bags in here. Sandwich bags are extra, and so are quart bags. And then in this drawer by the stove is where I keep the bags that I use, and I needed snack bags. I'm looking in my pantry and trying to figure out where in the world I'm going to put the cereal. I need to move some things around, but I also need to pull out my chip bin, go through that before I add new chips. We have not bought cereal since moving here, and I was hoping this would fit here, and it does. Oh, yay! Good thing I didn't get the family size because I don't know if that would fit. I keep packages right here for now, so I'm gonna add some more. The gravy and the meatloaf seasoning right there. We're completely out of eggs, so there's where those go. To this drawer, I'm gonna add all my vegetables. That filled that up pretty good, but on the bottom drawer, I'm gonna put that salad mix in here. I like to take the applesauces right out of the packages and stack them up in the refrigerator, and then when I want one, I can just grab it and go. Let's restock this coffee drawer. This is what we were buying. They're like $13 to $15 for these, and that's why I went with the Walmart brand. But these are $2 compared to, like, you know, $13 to $15. There, that looks much better. Lately, in my bags of potatoes, I've been getting rotting potatoes. So I dump them out on a paper towel, and I go through them, and I pick out the rotted potatoes. Ew, ew. And then I put them back in the bag and put them away. My canned goods, I keep in my Lazy Susan. All right, let me do something with this little teeny tiny bag of flour. It's so cute though, right? I do have some flour, so this will be perfect just to add to it. Oh man, I'm gonna try not to make a mess with flour, but I always say me and flour don't get along, and I always get it on me. Oh, I'm gonna step back. Oh, that did good. That filled it up pretty good. I guess I knew what I was doing all along. I just doubt myself. I'm always doubting myself. And I don't think I got any on me, did I? This is the turkey sausage that we are going to be using to go along with this macaroni and cheese. This stuff is so good. Their mashed potatoes are really good too. I'm putting away the bathroom stuff. We got a Sam's Club delivery. Usually we only get one of the bath tissues, but this time we got 2 of them, so they last us just a little bit longer. Look what my amazing husband surprised me with. It was delivered with our Sam's Club order today. Oh, I am so grateful. Thank you, honey. We have 2 packs of napkins, and we also have a Hunter mix we're gonna try. It looks really good. It has cashews and peanuts and all kinds of goodies in there. And then we love these. They are the peanut butter filled pretzels. We got a big, huge container of those and a thing of paper plates. We also got some more boxes of Kleenex. We had colds go through our home, so those went pretty quickly. But I gotta show you something. I confiscated a couple boxes of Kleenex because I love the designs on them. This one is apple and little juices, and oh, how cute is that? And then this one is pumpkins. I'm hiding them. Those ones are ours. I'm gonna give you a review. It is coffee o'clock, and I made one of those coffee pods that are Great Value brand, and I tried the classic roast. Tim tried the Colombian roast, and we love them. So that is a win. I think they're only like a couple bucks for a box of them. They're really good. So there you go. Tonight I am making an oldie but a goodie, one of our favorites, and it is enchilada stuffed shells. I have made this on my channel before, but it's been quite a while, and it works with Weight Watchers. We love enchiladas, and I love stuffed shells. So combining both of those together, I mean, you can't go wrong with this recipe. Taste of Home really knows what they're doing. We're gonna start by heating up some water on the stove to cook our shells. We need to get the ingredients, so I have already opened this box because I used it for a previous recipe, and it is just the big old jumbo shells. While we're in the pantry, I need some seasonings. Now, this recipe calls for minced onion. I usually use fresh onion, so you can use whichever. I'm gonna use fresh onion tonight. But I need oregano, basil, and cumin. He's hiding back here behind the garlic salt. Come on, cumin. In my Lazy Susan, I need some refried beans and enchilada sauce. I am using medium. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot to put on the burger. You can use lean ground turkey too if you want to, but I have lean ground beef, so that's what I'm gonna use. I need to get it in the pan. I threw some onion in there with that burger. I'm gonna get this broke up and let it continue to cook before we start adding all those delicious seasonings. I added 15 of those jumbo shells to my boiling water. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of each of these seasonings: ground cumin, oregano, and basil. Stir those in really well, and now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of those refried beans to the pan. I sprayed a 9x13 pan, and I'm going to pour a little bit of that enchilada sauce in the bottom, and then I'm going to add the rest of the enchilada sauce right into the meat mixture. I have the pasta draining, and I'm rinsing it with cold water, so hopefully I don't burn myself while I'm stuffing these shells, because I have done that before, and oh my goodness, it hurts, but these are so good, it's worth it. This is what the meat mixture looks like when it all comes together. I'm getting my little pasta stuffing station set up over here. I'm going to put about 1 tablespoon of the mixture into the shell and place it in the pan. Now I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil, and I'm going to bake it on 350 for 25 minutes. While that's baking, I'm going to grab 1 cup of reduced fat cheddar cheese. Now I'm going to very carefully take this off from the pan. Don't burn yourself when you do this. And I'm going to sprinkle the shells with that 1 cup of cheese. I'm going to put this back in the oven uncovered for 5 more minutes, and then dinner will be ready. With this meal, I usually just serve salad, which that is exactly what I'm going to do tonight. You can serve breadsticks, Texas toast, that's the kind of stuff my husband and kids like, but they're getting salad tonight, whether they like it or not. For this recipe, if you are following Weight Watchers, you get 3 of the stuffed shells, which equals out to 11 points. If you are following the Healthy app, you get 3 of the stuffed shells for 10 points. This recipe is 379 calories and 28 grams of protein. Thank you so much for joining me. The recipe is down below. Make sure you grab a hold of it and make it for one of your upcoming meals. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Looking for more videos? Here are 2 more that you can enjoy. Don't stop hanging out with me. I love having you here.